Sectors of Indian economy, part 4. In the previous video, we have learned about how to create more employment. We have also discussed about right to work and Manrega 2005. Today, we will discuss about division of sectors based on working condition and organized sector and unorganized sector. To understand the differences between organized sector and unorganized sector, let us see the example of Kanta and Kamal's condition of work. Kanta works in office from 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. She gets every month regular salary, provident fund, medical allowances, paid holiday, and an appointment letter stating all the terms and conditions of work. She is working in an organized sector. On the other hand, Kamal, her neighbor, is a daily wage laborer. He goes to shop 7:30 a.m. and works till 8 p.m. He gets no other allowances apart from his wages. He does not get any paid holiday, medical facilities, not any appointment letter for his work. He can be asked to leave any time by his employer. He is working in unorganized sector. Hence, organized sector registered by the government, they have to follow rules and regulations. They provide job security, paid leave, provident fund, safe working environment, fixed working hours, and paid overtime if they work more. Unorganized sectors are small and scattered units. They are largely outside the control of government. Rules and regulations are there but often ignored here. They don't have benefits like provident fund, proper leave, and bonus, etc. In unorganized sector, job is not secure, low paid, and no provision of overtime. This sector includes a large number of people doing a small jobs such as selling on the street, doing repair work, working as laborers. The employment opportunity in the organized sector have been expanding very slowly. As a result, a large number of workers are faced to enter the unorganized sector job. Since 1990, large number of workers losing their job in the organized sector. Hence, it needs a protection and support of the workers in unorganized sector. In the rural area, the unorganized sector mostly comprises of landless agriculture laborers, small and marginal farmers, weavers, blacksmiths, carpenter, and goldsmiths, etc. Nearly 80% of rural households in India are in a small and marginal farmers category. These farmers need to be supported through adequate facility for timely delivery of seeds, agriculture inputs, credit, storage facilities, and marketing outlets. In urban areas, unorganized sector comprises mainly of workers in a small scale industry, casual workers in construction, trade, transport, vendors, head load workers, garment makers, rag pickers, etc. A small scale industry needs government support for procuring raw material and marketing of output. Workers from SCs, STs, and backward communities face social discrimination. Protection and support to the workers of unorganized sector is necessary for both economic and social development. In the next video, we will learn about sectors in terms of ownership as public and private sector. Thanks.